Hello, this is Kevin Benedict, Senior Analyst with Digital Transformation at Cognizant, reporting live this week from Oracle's Open World 2014. Hello, I'm Kevin Benedict, Senior Analyst for Digital Transformation and Mobility at Cognizant. We're here this week live at Oracle's Open World 2014, and I have as a guest today Denis Tyrell. Denis, thanks for joining us.
No problem.
Denis, tell us what your title is.
I'm Senior Director of Product Management of our UI tooling organization, responsible for a lot of our UI frameworks, including mobile as well as our web development frameworks.
So does that all fit on a business card?
Not really. We explain it well.
Very good. So I was listening to the keynote this morning, and they were talking a lot about enterprise mobility and the fact that you can build once and it's supported on multiple operating systems. Talk to us about what kind of UI experience and mobile app design and development environment is Oracle announcing this week?
So mobile application framework is actually something that it kind of had its genesis in ADF Mobile, which some people might be familiar with, but mobile application framework is the next generation of that. So that's been available for a little while, certainly before the show. One of the things we announced today was Mobile Application Accelerator, and that really brings development to the non-developer, to the business analyst, to enable people that don't know Objective-C, that don't know what a provisioning profile is and all this fancy talk, and they still want to be able to build an application rapidly, quickly. So that's one of the things we're really excited about.
So many of the other, if you would, mobile application development platform companies have kind of backed off from the UI part and said, look, you can use whatever you want. Are you taking that same position, or are you saying, look, we have something that you should use, or you could decide to use us or somebody else? What's your strategy there?
We've actually done both. We've really invested a lot in our AMX technology, which is part of Mobile Application Framework. It's a super rich set of UI components, from nice visualizations, graphs and timelines and endboxes, and it gives you a native look and feel per platform. That's our declarative UI, which we think is fantastic. You can extend that with your own custom components. But if you don't want to use that, or you want to mix and match that, yes, you can use your own favorite HTML5 JavaScript framework and have it sit alongside. So it's really best of everything. You can mix and match however you want.
So walk us through some of the product names. So if we want to look these up on the website, we know how to get to them on a search engine.
Sure. The very first thing is the Mobile Application Framework. That's the client framework to build those client applications. What's coming is going to be the Mobile Cloud Service, and that lets you shape those services and put them up in your mobile backend, and then that's going to provide the synchronization and caching in the cloud, and the shaping and the push notifications and all of that great stuff that you need for mobile applications. And then, of course, the Mobile Security Suite to secure those applications, because it's no good if the first time somebody uses it, it breaks and opens up your network. So.
Got it. So you guys have a mobile backend as a service offering. Is that the Mobile Cloud Service, or is there a different name for that?
Yeah, that's the Mobile Cloud Service, and that's a product that's coming pretty soon, and I think we're ready to beta that pretty soon. We also have something called the Mobile Suite, especially for on-premise customers that want to have an experience like that. Maybe they don't want to go to the cloud, or they're not ready for the cloud, which comprises of our Oracle Service Bus plus adapters to let you shape that data, and Mobile Application Framework to write the application.
Got it. So Oracle's Mobile Application Framework is the official name for that part of it? Got it. So are you looking at both an HTML5 kind of mobile web environment and native, or do you have a preference?
So Mobile Application Framework builds a hybrid application. So it will surface as a native app on the phone, but really the guts of that application are HTML5 and JavaScript. Our UI component set renders itself on the client using JavaScript and HTML5. So that's what gives you that cross-platform capability.
So Denis, some of your competition and a lot of the other big players in the market came to the market early with an enterprise mobility app. You guys took your time. We're 2014, you guys have a big push, it's part of the keynote, etc. This week. Why did you guys wait this long?
We were really making sure it was a full story. We wanted the full solution. We had Mobile Application Framework, or ADF Mobile, when it was coined last year, and we really only had the client part of it. We really wanted to have a full mobile strategy, a full solution that we could show to customers and say, look, this is really what you need from end to end, from the containerization of the security to the mobile back end, right down to the application on the client.
Got it. Dennis, I want to thank you so much for joining us here. We're in the Cognizant booth here at Oracle Open World 2014. Thanks for sharing the insight and all your announcements this week.
Great, thanks, it's been great.